So in the given problem, he has given the boundary condition. If you see here, the current is not fully continuous, the current is not fully discontinuous. It is exactly in the boundary between the continuous and discontinuous mode. So what is asking? He is asking the peak value of current. So how do you find out the peak value of current? The peak value of current, the same thing by using a formula of inductor. So the current through the inductor is equal to, during on time, the current through the inductor equal to the voltage through the inductor, that is equal to VDC by L into T on. So this implies the ripple current is equal to VDC by L. This T on is nothing but I multiply and divide with T, so it will become D by F. But in the problem he has not given the duty ratio. How to calculate the duty ratio? Duty ratio is nothing but it is the relation between the output and input, right? So if you plot the voltage across the inductor to find out the output voltage, during on period this is VDC and during off period this is V0. This is a on period and this is a off period. So this is the total time T, right? Now if you apply volt second balance, so volt second balance across the inductor, then it will become VDC into T on is equal to V0 into T off. So V0 is also given, because V0 is given as a minus, I have considered here also this is minus only. This is minus V0, that means minus 100 is given. So now, so this V0, this T off I can write T minus T on, is VDC into T on, right? So from this, how to calculate this one? So VDC is how much is given? It is given as a 400 volts. This is T on is equal to V0 is given as a 500 volts into T minus T on, right? Now T on, these two will cancel. Then what you will get? You will get in terms of T on and T. So this is 4T on equal to 5T minus 5T on, right? 400 and 500. I think the problem is given wrong. So this is not actually, this is not a 400 volts, this is a 10 volts. So he has given the wrong, so you please correct this. Whatever he has given in the circuit, this is not a 400, this is a 100 volts. 100 volts. Okay, so this is not a 400, this is 100. There is a mistake in the problem. So this is 1. So this is nothing but 60 on equal to 5 into T. So this implies T on equal to 5 times 5 by 6 times T. T is nothing but inverse of the given frequency, 10 kilohertz, right? So this is equal to 5 by 6 into 1 by 10 into 10 cube. So if you simplify this, you will be getting a value of 83.33 microfarad. But what I want duty ratio only. So duty ratio T on by T. So this is 83.33 microfarad. Sorry, this is microseconds, no? Microseconds. And also, what about this one? Time, totally time is inverse of the 10 kilohertz. So 1 by 10k. 1 by 10k is nothing but 100 microseconds. So how much you will be getting? You will be getting 0.833. So you just substitute this value in the delta I. So delta I is equal to VDC is given as 100. What is the L value given in the circuit? The value is given as 100 microhenry into duty ratio is 0.833 by the frequency is 10 into 10 cube. So if you simplify this, you'll be getting a value of 83.33 amperes. Okay, so the peak current is nothing but the ripple current. This is equal to 83.33 amperes.